What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can increase the quality of your image. I don't think you would want to use image that has low quality, so in this video I'm going to help you so that you don't go through the stress in Photoshop trying to increase your image. I have two AI tools that I'm going to show you, and it's mind-blowing and you're going to love it. So yeah, let's get into it. But before that, my name is CK and this is my channel. I show videos like this, and I also have tutorials on how to design posters and flyers. So if you really want to level up your graphic design, then I think this is a community that you would want to join. So make sure you hit the like button of this video and also subscribe to the channel to support me. So without further ado, let's get into it. So my first tool that I'm going to show you is pixelation.ai. So this is a free AI photo editor. You just have to search it in your web browser and just click, and this is the home page. Now first of all, you need to sign up or log in first. Okay, so you make sure you do that. You can just sign up with your Google or your Apple, okay, or your email. Okay, so just do that. Now when you sign up, what you have to do is just click. It's either you drag and drop or you click here, choose, and it's going to open your File Explorer or your Finder. So you just select the image and select open, and you're going to have the image inside their homepage. So what you have to do is that you could see we have things here. Now what you want to do is you want to upscale. Okay, so just hit upscale, and because we are using the free version, you don't want to touch anything yet, because once you touch it, you're going to have the payment plan. Okay, so these are the benefits you're going to get when you subscribe, but we don't want to upgrade. We are using the free version. So let's come back. Now before I hit upscale, let me zoom in for you to see. You see the picture, it has very low quality. So let's hit upscale, and within some few seconds it's just going to do the magic for us. So let's wait. Voila, here we are. So let me zoom in for you to see the difference. Okay, hit compare to have that slide. Okay, so this is before and this is after. You understand? Good. So from here you can just hit download, and either you download preview resolution or full resolution, any of them. And like I said, you need to sign up or log in. Okay, I don't want to log in, but you can do that to get your image. Okay, good. Now another thing or another tool that I want to show you is this is upscale. Now with this, when it came up, it was free. The old version of this app is free, and right now they have come out with a new version that is v2.15, and this is having a pricing plan. Okay, so I think you can try. It says free trial, so for individual. So maybe you are not using it for business, it's free for you. Okay, but if you are using it for business, I think you need to pay some amount. Okay, but for me, I discovered this when it was totally free. They didn't have anything like pricing here. It was a free tool. Okay, so all that you have to do is just download it and just choose your operating system. You can have Windows, you can have Mac, Linux. So you just select and you just download. It's very simple. Okay, now I have it on my desktop. This is it. Okay, so I'm just going to open it for you to see how it works. In fact, it's really good. Okay, so it's very simple. We have batch upscale. So batch is where you select a folder, and inside the folder you make sure you have many pictures in it, and it will upscale all of them at once. Okay, so if you don't activate this, you need to just select image, and there you go. So I'll hit select image, and I'm going to select the same image. Okay, so this is the image. Now when you scroll down, we have models. Okay, they have several models, but I like this one. This is cool. I think this is the default one, so but it does pretty much good job. So this is image scale. Okay, if you want to double scale or you want to increase any number, but once you increase the number, it has this thing. It says anything above 5 times may cause performance. To be honest, for this one, your machine needs to have, it has to perform very high. It has to have high performance. Okay, so yeah, now the step 3 is default to image path. So when you don't change anything, what it means is that after upscaling, it's going to be at where the original image was. Okay, so that's exactly where I want to make it. So maybe I want to put it on my desktop. I can just select my desktop, and I'll click on select folder, and now it has come to my desktop. So I'll just have to click here, upscale like that, and this is going to take some few minutes, and you are going to get your image. Okay, so right now it's saying hold on, and it will start loading. Okay, like I said, your machine has to have high performance in order to use this app. Okay, but not really high. But if your machine is okay, you can run Photoshop. I think you can also use this one on your device. Okay, so yeah, it's going to start from 0 to 100. That is the upscaling. Okay, so now we have 5%, and it will be going. Okay, yeah, this might take some time, so what I'll do is that I will speed it up for you, because I don't want to waste your time, and show you the result at the end. Okay, so there we have it. Okay, this is after, and this is before. You can see a very big change in this. Okay, this is after, this is before, and this is after. So these are the tools that I use to upscale. Now once it is done, it will just go to where you selected. So now this is the image that I'm having here, as you can see. So it does pretty much a good job, and so I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I have more videos coming up for you, so be part of this family and don't just watch and pass. Subscribe, and let's grow this channel together. So if you want to learn how to create posters and flyers, then watch the next video on your screen. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.